Hello students, today we are going to start straight line. So in this video we will discuss what is the equation for straight line. Okay. Number 2, what is the definition of slope. Okay, these are the two questions we will address in this video. Fine. So what is the equation of straight line? So the definition of a straight line is, you can call it definition or simply that a linear expression ax plus by equal to c is known as equation of a straight line, where, remember one thing, when we say straight line we mean straight line in 2 dimension. Okay, we are not talking about the straight line in higher dimension. For higher dimension the equation varies. Okay, for 2 dimension this linear equation is the equation of straight line, where x and y defines the coordinate x comma y on the straight line. Here I have missed one point, the coordinate of a point. Okay, this, but if this x and y defines the coordinate of each point on the straight line. A, B, C are real numbers in this case. Okay, also A and B cannot be 0 at the same time. Okay, so this is the equation of straight line. So simply you can see the linear equation ax plus by equal to c. So this is a straight line. Now suppose we can draw one thing. This is the coordinates axis, this is a line, sorry, this is certainly not a line, this is a line. Okay, suppose this is L, this is inclined with the positive direction of x-axis at an angle of theta. Okay, so this is called, this theta is called inclination of L, of the line. So angle of inclination, so we define angle of inclination. Okay, so let L be a line which is inclined, or you can say which makes an angle theta with the positive direction of x-axis. Okay, then this, sorry, this angle is called inclination of line L. Okay, sorry, line L. Okay, fine. So now what is the slope? So it is clear that if this is the line, suppose you have two lines, suppose this is theta 1 and theta 2, so it is clear that the inclination of this line is less than this line. Okay, so if this is suppose L1 and L2, then inclination of L1 is certainly less than inclination of L2. So the slope in L2 is more than slope of L1. So how to define the slope? Suppose slope of, say, a straight line. Let L be a line with inclination theta, then slope of line L is defined as simply tan theta. Okay, if theta equal to 90 degree, then slope is undefined as expected, because tan 90 is undefined. Now every time you don't have a point, so how to define slope of a line if you know 2 points? So this is the formula for slope. Okay, and this is the last part of our video. Slope of a line passing through 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. Okay, so I have to find this. Now let me see how to express this diagrammatically. Suppose this is x1 comma y1 and this is x2 comma y2. Let's join this line. Okay, we need to find the slope of this line. We draw perpendiculars. Suppose this is x, y, this is m, this is n, this is r. Suppose this is p and q. Okay, now this line will meet the x-axis. So this angle theta, that is inclination, is equal to here this angle, so as corresponding angles. So how to find the slope? So we know from here tan theta is equal to QR by PR. So what is QR by PR? So what is QR? QR is nothing but QN minus RN whole divided by, what is PR? PR is nothing but MN. So this is nothing but QN minus PM, because this PM is equal to RN, and again PR is equal to MN. Now MN can be written as ON minus OM. This is nothing but Y2 minus Y1 divided by X2 minus X1. So slope of the line is equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So this is how you find the slope of the line. For example, number 1, if a line is inclined at an angle of 60 degree with the positive direction of x-axis, then slope of the line is nothing but, if you know the inclination, the slope is nothing but tan 60 degree, that is root 3, simple. But if you know 2 points, example 2, if the line passes through 2 3 and minus 4 comma 7, then slope of the line by definition is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So you can start with like numbers like this, that is x1 is equal to 2, y1 equal to 3, x2 equal to minus 4, y2 equal to 7. So you just put the values and calculate. So that is y2 minus 7 minus 3 divided by minus 4 minus 2. This is 10 of minus 6, that is minus of 5 by 3. So this is the slope of the line. So this is how you find the slope of the line when you know the two coordinate of points lying on the line. Okay, so this is all about slope. In the next video we will cover the equation of the line. Okay, thank you so much.